Most men think they know how to turn a woman on, but they keep making the same small mistakes that quietly ruin the entire experience. What if I told you it's not about doing more, but about doing things differently? And that a few simple changes in how you touch her can completely transform how she feels in your arms. If you truly want to spark deep excitement in a woman and give her a level of pleasure she may not easily express, then the way you touch her needs to come from awareness and intention. This is where many men fall short. They rush, overlook the subtle details, and miss what actually makes the experience powerful. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 ways to explore, tease, and stimulate her chest in a way that builds genuine connection and lasting pleasure. A lot of men think they already understand this, but they skip the most important parts. Moving too fast and focusing only on the obvious can quickly ruin the mood. When you slow things down and approach her with more care, everything changes. These steps help create stronger emotional and physical reactions, deeper arousal, and moments she'll remember long after. Stay with me, because each step naturally leads into the next. Think of this as your personal guidance. Every week on Inside Her Heart Aerial, I share honest insights into what women truly respond to, beyond what they usually say. You'll also discover simple, practical ways to build attraction, connection, and chemistry. If you want to improve your dating and intimate life, keep watching. The first step is about creating anticipation. This is where many men make their first mistake. They go straight to the most sensitive areas too quickly. Instead, start around her chest. Gently explore her sides, her ribs, and the outer curves. Let your hands move slowly and naturally. This gradual buildup creates anticipation. By the time you reach more sensitive areas, the sensation becomes much stronger because you allowed tension and curiosity to build. The second step is light teasing. This is extremely effective, yet often overlooked. Don't rush into firm touch or pressure. Instead, use the softest contact possible. Let your fingertips lightly brush across her skin. Move slowly and avoid going directly to the center. This activates her nerve endings and increases sensitivity. Even a soft breath or a gentle kiss can intensify the feeling. The key here is contrast. When soft teasing is followed by slightly deeper touch, it creates excitement. Her body responds more because it can't predict what will come next. That unpredictability keeps her fully engaged. It's not about intensity. It's about patience, control, and understanding how small changes in pressure and rhythm affect her body. The third step is showing appreciation. It sounds simple, but it carries real weight. Many women feel insecure about their bodies. If she feels uncomfortable or unsure, she won't fully relax. Speak softly and genuinely. Let her know she looks beautiful and that you enjoy being close to her. When she feels desired and valued, she opens up more, and the experience becomes deeper for both of you. The fourth step is using slow, deliberate movement with your mouth. Don't rush straight to the most sensitive point. Take your time exploring. Move gently in soft, circular patterns, gradually getting closer. Let the sensation build step by step instead of rushing through it. This slow progression builds anticipation and makes every moment feel more intense as it develops. As you slowly get closer to her most sensitive areas, the intensity naturally builds on its own. By the time you finally focus your attention there, everything feels stronger because of the anticipation you created earlier. Combine warmth, softness, and a consistent rhythm. When these elements come together, they create a smooth, wave-like sensation that can spread through her entire body and deepen the experience. There's also a technique that works best when the timing is right. Applying gentle pressure and then releasing it can feel incredibly good, but only if she's already fully engaged and aroused. Keep it soft and controlled, then ease off gradually. Blend this with lighter touches so it never feels too intense or sudden. The key here is variety. Switching between different sensations keeps her body alert and responsive. It avoids predictability and keeps the moment exciting. Another important detail that often gets ignored is rhythm. Consistency matters more than most people realize. Start slow and let a natural pattern develop, then gradually increase the pace and intensity. Think of it as a flow she can sink into. When the rhythm feels right, her body starts responding in sync with it. That connection can create sensations that feel deeply immersive and powerful. At this point, you can begin adding small variations. While maintaining that steady rhythm, introduce subtle changes with your hands or mouth. These slight shifts keep things engaging without breaking the flow. When done correctly, it creates an experience where her focus stays completely in the moment, and the sensations continue to build instead of fading away. Now everything starts to come together. Using your hand and mouth at the same time can take things to another level. Focus your attention with your mouth on one side, while your hand gently stimulates the other. This combination creates layered sensations, making everything feel more intense and exciting. Start slow and let her reactions guide you. Keep your movements smooth and coordinated so it feels natural rather than rushed. This step can be very powerful, but patience is essential. Don't rush into it too soon. Wait until she is fully comfortable and engaged. When the timing is right, her body will respond naturally, sometimes with subtle movements or reactions she doesn't even think about. That's a sign everything is flowing the way it should. Now you have a clearer idea of how to approach this with intention and care. Most men never take the time to understand these details, which is why they struggle to create real connection and excitement. Once you start applying these ideas, you'll notice the difference. Everything feels smoother, more natural, and far more memorable for both of you. If you also want to improve how you create attraction before things even become physical, there's something simple that can help. A practical flirting cheat sheet with easy lines and techniques you can start using right away. It's designed to spark interest, build tension, and help you create that first connection. Everything is straightforward, even if you're shy or unsure. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand what works and apply it consistently. When you do, you'll start seeing real changes in how your interactions and relationships develop. Thanks for staying all the way through. I'll see you next time on Inside Her Hearterel with more honest insights and practical advice to help you build confidence, deeper connections, and better results. In the end, it all comes down to awareness, patience, and intention. When you slow down, pay attention to her responses, and focus on the small details, everything changes. It's not about rushing or following a routine. It's about creating a natural flow where she feels comfortable, desired, and fully present in the moment. When you combine anticipation, variety, rhythm, and genuine appreciation, you don't just create physical pleasure, you build a deeper connection she can truly feel. Most men overlook these details, but once you understand and apply them, the difference becomes clear. The experience becomes more intense, more meaningful, and far more memorable for both of you. Stay patient, stay aware, and let everything build naturally. That's where real connection and lasting impact begin.